Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your mic and Bandlab input. Select the exact device so you avoid routing errors. Once done, choose the track and solo the take you'll process. This prevents accidental edits to other tracks. Make sure background noise is minimized now. Close windows, silence phones, and stop HVAC if possible. Then open the editor view and locate the clip. This gets you straight to noise tools without wasting time on global settings you don't need. You'll now enable the noise reduction or noise cancellation effect in the clip editor or mix view. This is where the work happens. Set the threshold to catch background hiss, then increase reduction in small steps. Extreme values cause artifacts. Once you hear a cleaner voice with preserved tone, use the preview or compare toggle to a slash be the before and after. If timing or EQ changes, add a subtle high pass at 80-100 Hz to remove rumble without thinning the voice. You finish by applying the effect and rendering or bouncing the clip so edits are committed. This keeps your session stable. If you notice metallic or underwater artifacts, back off the reduction amount and reapply, then compensate with gentle EQ to restore warmth. Once satisfied, save a versioned copy so you can revert. If problems persist, try a spectral repair tool or re-record a short dub in a tighter mic position. Those steps often solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.